Good morning, mabuhay, ma'am. This is our reporter D. Zamboanga, Sibugay. Knitted in the earth of the Philippines, Zamboanga, Sibugay, Ancient is the harmonious blend of natural wonders in the cultural riches. Her pristine beaches, curves, and shores is kissed by the gentle waves of Sulu Sea. Verdant the mountains stand sentinel, offering breathtaking vistas and thrilling adventures for the intrepid explorer. Area and location. Nestled in the earth of the Philippines, Zamboanga Sibugay Ancient which is the harmonious blend of natural wonders and cultural richness in the pristine beaches, careers and shores kissed by the gentle waves of Sulu Sea. Verdant mountains stand sentinel, offering breathtaking vistas and thrilling adventure for the intrepid explorer. Political profile: Zamboanga Sibugay is composed of 16 municipalities. They are Alicia, Buwag, Tiplahan, Imelda, Ipil Capital, Cabasalan, Mabuhay, Malangas, Naga, Olotanga, Payao, Siler, Atlim, Siyay, Talusan, Titay, Tulogawan. Ipil is the capital city of Zamboanga Sibugay. Geographic profile: Zamboanga Sibugay geography is characterized by diverse landscape that include coastal area, mountain, rich in the river system. Gastronomy: Kuracha. Kuracha is a unique and flavorful seafood dish that the specialty of Zamboanga City, which the adjacent to Zamboanga, Sibugay is features a type of crab known as the red frog crab or Spanish crab, which is cooked in the rich and spicy sauce made with coconut milk, chili peppers, garlic, and other species. Kuracha is often enjoyed with steamed rice and is a must-try for seafood lovers visiting the region. Tiyula Itom. Tiyula Itom is the traditional tausog dish that also popular in Zamboanga, Sibugay is a rich of savory beef stew made with tender beef, toast, coconut, ginger, and garlic in various species. What sets the tiyula itom apart of the dark color which is achieved by the caramelizing the coconut and using burnt coconut as a key ingredient. This result is a hearty of flavorful dish that is typically served white rice in flavor. Pastil. Pastil is a simple yet satisfying snack meal that Swedish boy the Zamboanga, Sibugay, and throughout the region. It consists of the steamer rice stuffed with steamed chicken or beef, seasoning with spices, and wrapped banana leaves. Pastil is often eaten the quick and convenience meal, especially by travelers and workers on the go. It I can found in local markets, roadside stall and interests across Zamboanga, Sibugay, offering tastes of authentic Mandanaon cuisine. Wake up the Zamboanga, Sibugay. Buluan. Buluan's land paradise is known of the pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant marine life. Visitors can enjoy activities such as swimming, snorkeling, diving, and land hopping. Buluan's land is offered to screen escape from the hustle and bustle of urban life, making it a popular destination for relaxation and adventure. Tumaga River. Tumaga River is a scenic waterway of the Mayders through Zamboanga, Sibugay slush. The landscape is famous for the picture surrounding, including denser forest, towering climb, and cascading waterfall. Tourist explorer in the river boat tour, kayak adventure, or simple relax with natural beauty. Sibog-Sibog Festival, while not a physical attraction of Sibog-Sibog Festival, is a major tourism draw in Zamboanga, Sibugay. This annual celebration showcase the province's cultural heritage through colorful street dance, cultural presentation, paradise, and culinary event is the offer visitor a unique opportunity to immerse themselves in local cultural and festival. And I thank you. Um,